And we are going to be doing something a little bit different in the next few videos. Yes, we are heading off on a cruise. We are heading from Southampton up through the North Sea, and we are going to enjoy the stunning scenery in the Norwegian Fjords. We have far too many highlights to show you in this intro, so you are just going to have to come along for the journey.
Yes, it's foggy. We are just arriving in Bergen. We are due to dock in about, I think it's 1 o'clock, it's now past 9, so it's 3.5 hours. Last couple of days, just been on the boat, not doing much, but now we've got some sights to show you, so hopefully the weather will improve and we'll see you in Bergen.
And here we have the Fløibanen Funicular, which is in fact the one thing we have on our to-do list today. And here we are, we just need to get the tickets. Wow, the views are going to be something special when we reach the top.
So we have decided just to do the short 5k walk to Skomak or something. And that was a great short and easy hike around the lake. Now it's time to head back down and wander around the harbour before we head back to the ship. We end our first port of call on our Fjords cruise with a wander around and a nice cold IPA. Our thoughts turn to tomorrow as I wake up at 5 AM to enjoy the arrival into Olden from the helipad at the front of the ship. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see that and the rest of our travels here in Norway and of course back in the camper van.